In a world where trends come and go, there are some pieces that remain timeless, elegant, cultural, and deeply rooted in tradition. Today, we explore one such masterpiece, the Mama dress, a symbol of heritage, beauty, and feminine grace. The Mama dress is not just a garment, it's a story of craftsmanship passed down through generation, where every thread carries a memory and every fold skip of elegance. Let's talk about where make the member dress truly unique. It starts with the fabric, often a rich blend of cotton, silk, and traditional hand-over material, carefully for its texture and natural beauty, and member dress got every cotton silk truly found and down through generations. We explore in the masterpiece. Welcome, friends, to our journey into timeless elegance. Today, we ourselves in a story of culture, beauty, and fashion to member dress. What set the member dress part is its rich heritage, a tapestry of traditional craftsmanship and personal expression. The moment and see it, you sense grace, following lines, gentle, drab, yet scattering. That's being with fabric, cotton, hand woven, sometimes silk, sometimes cotton, but always close and with care. Feel the texture under your finger, smooth and yet notice the color deep, jewel tones, pastel bold, each shade telling its own story. Notice the color deep, then embroidery motifs that flora, geometry, somber. This pattern are more than decoration, they are messy from the past to now. Every stitch, then more pattern decoration, they are messy from the past to now, is done by hand by artisans who have interested technique passed on over generation. Watch how the threads forming designs so intricate, then they seem almost alive. They cut modest neckling, flowing sleeves that often both coverage or movement. When one the dress floor and you, whether walking, dancing, or simply